We appreciate the Toyota for its good looks, its dependability, and of course that luggage space to fit your picnic baskets. But compared to a Rolls-Royce, well, the comparison is just unfair. Like the old double R, this JLC is built and operates at a totally different level outside of your typical timepiece. Find out how. This video is brought to you by Shiva's Gold and Gems. The JLC Master Compressor Extreme Lab 2 Rose Gold Edition is a materialization of watchmaking technology and engineering like no other. The 46.8mm case is very distinct with a dual ring structure that includes a carrier chassis system and movement container. It's 16.5mm thick with a 100-meter water resistance that's quite remarkable for a complex watch without a screw-down crown. To say that the design is packed with features is underselling this timepiece. Just look at the features. Just look at how they're executed. This model houses the caliber 780 that's, well, has its own list of features that inspires its own full-length documentary movie. One Watch magazine calls this a masculine, sturdy, and unique watch that requires a scientific exploration with all the features built into it. We agree with its sentiment, and we do intend to explore the best of what it has to offer. My wrist never felt as manly as it is with the Extreme Lab strapped on it. Those imposing lugs and wide strap just commands and pummels my 6¼ inch wrists into blissful submission. JLC puts many watch brands to shame with this strap system that's simply better and well thought out. The latch is not only well hidden, but the mounting mechanism also allows for an incredible articulating feature that makes this watch wearable on the widest range of wrist size. Even the strap end is over-engineered with secure points for the ring keeper, and a micro-adjust option for the buckle. Another thing that I've never seen before is a ceramic crown that never needs to be pulled to select the function. It's just amazing. It's an ingenious way of crown setting without risking the water resistance. Simply turn the crown to wind the movement. To select the function, you will need to press the golden button at the tip of the crown. This toggles between the time setting, neutral position for winding, and GMT function. Once selected, you can turn the crown to set to your desired time or time zone. In true JLC fashion, the function is conveniently displayed on the 3 o'clock position beside the date window. On the other side of the case is another switch that can be toggled to hack the running seconds hand. Now the power to set the time down to the seconds is at the tip of your fingers. All the buttons are capped with rubber for adequate traction. Words cannot express the satisfying clicks that you get when activating the chronograph. Equally satisfying is the digital minute counter that jumps as the chronograph reaches this beat. The clicks and visual synchronicity of every button push helps you understand why there's such an allure towards mechanical chronographs. Lest we forget, however, this is a timepiece from JLC. It's a brand that you not only recognize through its trademark but also by its hallmarks all over the watch. The execution is unmistakably Jaeger LeCoultre. Every line, every finish is delivered with precision and absolute uniformity. Inside is a caliber that is extremely complex beyond explanation. A combination of titanium, ceramic, gold, and platinum that encourages its own exploration. Operating the chronograph is a joy from every side of this incredible machine. We've seen pieces from JLC that belongs in an art gallery, and this one is no exception. It just so happens that this Picasso can also be a feature in a Jules Verne novel. Try pairing that with your Spirit of Ecstasy. That's the outro. It's good, right? Are you sure?